Windows 11 will soon be getting a nifty macOS feature, Quick View. And if you follow the link, it'll take you to the article that describes that new feature. As it says here, Microsoft is now considering a similar feature in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And this feature will be called Peek, and it'll be delivered via PowerToys. It helps you to open certain files and folders and get a look at the file and the folder without really having to open it, just through using a shortcut key. I have the latest version of PowerToys. I run a preview build of Windows 11, and this is a feature that interested me, but it isn't currently available. What is available, and it's available through the Microsoft Store, is called QuickLook. Just search for it and install it, and let me show you what you can do with it once it's been installed on your Windows 10 or 11 system. And as it says here, it works in Windows 10, but not Windows 10S. So if you have the Windows 10S, this will not work for you. It will work for all other versions of Windows 10 and version 11. Let's take a little quick look at QuickLook. QuickLook allows you to open a file just by selecting it and then hitting the spacebar. It doesn't work on every single file type, but it does work on quite a few of them. I've brought up some examples. For instance, this is an image file. Highlight it, hit the spacebar, and it opens the image. To close it, either hit the spacebar again or the escape, whatever is easier for you. The next one is a shortcut to a website. Again, select it and hit the spacebar, and it opens up the website for you. Close it by just hitting the spacebar again. The next one is a text file. Select it, hit the spacebar, and there is your text file. The nice thing here is you can actually interact with that text file. You can make changes. Treat it just the same as if you had actually opened it in the program assigned to open a text file. When you're finished, to close it, again, hit your spacebar. The next one is a PDF. Spacebar once it's been selected, and there's your PDF. Spacebar again, and you close it. The last example is an MP4, a video file. Select it, spacebar, and there goes your video playing, just as if you had assigned it through a program. When you're finished, just hit the spacebar to close it. That's a quick look at QuickLook. And until the version from Microsoft is released, this is a great way to get started with a quick way to open many files and other things, including videos. And if you don't use Microsoft PowerToys, this is one way to get that feature without ever having to install that utility. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps.